Genuine but rhyming words of love, I dreamed of doves above. Well, that conceit won't fly. Let's on a whim another way try by a synonym to treasure, to hold dear, to delight at your sight, to adore and revere. What fun poetry in motion! What wonderful souls speak through those eyes so dark, intrigue. I love you, I say that now, and it is so not my place to say it louder even to you.